On today's body cam, we're checking out woman makes her day 10 times worse after completely trashing motel room.
On April 27, 2024, officers responded to a motel for a call of a room being completely destroyed by a guest.
Normally for like, hotels and stuff, if there's little damage, I'm like, this is above and beyond.
Yeah.
Whatever you figure out with him is one thing.
Okay.
Do we have Drew's information?
Yeah, as much
Yeah,
as we can
he's been
get.
in jail,
Do you have a
so-
phone number for Drew?
No, he's homeless, so. But he's been in jail multiple times, so. When I walked out, I was crazy. I had to pay for it either ways.
If I were to give like a rough thought, and this is not even, this isn't official, this is me just off the top of my head, what it would cost, parts, labor, equipment, everything to fix that room, I think you're getting close to $10,000. That is trashed. The furniture's damaged, TV's damaged, the sink is completely shattered, the toilet's shattered, the window's busted out, there's glass everywhere. I mean, I don't know.
What the heck was they doing in there? A Royal Rumble match?
What would piss somebody off that much to make them do
He
that?
got mad because we got into an argument and he told me I was going to find his bait, but I'm like, it's not going to free me.
And this happened just right now, just earlier this morning?
Yeah. I told him to stop, like, I said stop breaking stuff. I was trying to get him to stop, but I couldn't.
Why was he in the room with you?
Oh, because he had came here with me because the doors are really not secure here. All you gotta do is buckle to the door and the door open.
So where does he hang out normally?
Over there, like by campus.
By campus?
Yeah, he be on campus a lot. Campus police.
Yeah, but let me guess, the room is in your name probably. So you on the hook for it.
No way.
Okay. No, the other officer.
All right, hang tight.
Why don't you climb in there and take a look at my screen? Yeah, Nadia. So, you're not Nadia?
I was I'll be calling my mama right now if you want me to. Would you like me to call her right now? But she'll tell you.
Because you look a lot like the picture.
That's not me. I got a sister that looks just like me. I do.
You have a sister that looks just like you.
Would you go to my mama's house right now?
You just stay right here. Don't.
Your right arm. Okay, I want to tell you right now, okay? If we find out, and right now you're not free to go, if we find out that you're lying to us, it's a completely new felony charge. Okay, if you want to be completely honest right now, and you want to tell us your true name and who you really are, then right now we will not charge you for giving us fake information. But if we continue on and we find out that you truly are Nadia, there's an additional felony charge. So it's a choice you've got to make right now. What is your first name?
It's Alice.
Okay.
My mom on the phone. She can tell you. She on the phone right now.
Where's your sister at?
I don't know where she is. She's not at my mom's house. She go everywhere. She got a baby. I don't know where she at.
She at the airport. She got a baby. Nah, you lying.
Do you have anything with your name on it?
I know. You can talk to my mama though.
Well, your mamas lie because they lie for their kids. Do you have nothing? No, not even a old high school ID with your name on it.
I don't have nothing.
No.
That's the only thing I had. I told you I was hungry. I don't have nothing.
Cop knows she lying.
First?
I don't have nothing in my email.
Can I look through it?
No, because I don't let people look through my purse.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get to work.
You what?
He'll look at it.
I wish there was some more identifiers on this. Maybe if I don't know, this new system is hard. If Post can come up with some other more details of the tattoos, we can go from there.
Okay.
But yeah, right now, I mean, I don't even have enough to hold here, but we got to figure out exactly because you look way too much like this.
Yeah, I wonder if I can get Posty to send a picture.
Of the other one?
Yeah.
If they can find one. Yeah. Is the picture that the name you gave us, the one that we just got a picture of? The piercing right in the middle of her lips. The name that you gave us, the piercing right there. You have nothing.
She ain't got no piercing no more.
Neither do you.
We both don't got no piercings.
Why does the picture show a piercing?
We both don't got no piercing.
Why does the picture show a piercing?
Because she used to have one, but we both don't have one.
Yeah, but even if you had a piercing in the past, you would still see like there would be a mark. You know what I mean? Like if you don't have nothing, nah.
I don't have no piercings, so she don't either.
You're misunderstanding me here. The picture of the name that you gave us, Elysian or however you want to pronounce it, that person.
Her name is Allison. Her name is Nadia.
What's your name?
I said my name is Allison. Her name
Yes,
is Nadia.
we have a picture of Allison, however you want to pronounce it, and that person has a piercing right there.
Her name is Nadia, but she ain't got no piercing no more.
Allison has a piercing.
Nadia doesn't have no piercing no more.
Oh, I believe it because you're Nadia.
No, I'm not.
Well, you're not Allison. Who are you?
I am Allison.
Not according to this, you aren't.
Because if I come out here more, so I'm going to call the police. So I'm going to stay here and he said he's going to
I don't know.
I want to stay here.
I'm not worried about that right now. You are not giving us the correct ID. We just pulled up the person that you said you were, and that is not you.
Okay, you want my real name?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Okay, it's Nadia.
It's Nadia? Perfect. Stand up, put your stuff down. Stand up, put your stuff down.
Put it all down on the ground right now,
Okay,
please.
okay.
Put it down
Now you get a charge for. Oh my
on
god!
the ground right.
You should have just been
Down on the
honest.
ground right now,
Okay, let go.
so it doesn't break. Put it down.
Okay, can you let go?
No, we're not. Stand up, please.
Put it on the
Stand
ground.
up. Put it on the ground right now.
Oh, yeah,
Then.
can you let go? I'm trying to put stuff on the ground. Stop.
Nadia,
Quit
stop.
fighting us.
Stop.
Quit fighting.
No, we don't go to jail for it.
So
That ID on you real quick.
what's that?
That ID. Yeah. Have you given that to Metcad yet?
No. Yeah, no, I think I just ran it. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court or other proceedings. You have the right to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have them with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you, free of any cost to you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand your rights? Are you okay to talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So, my question is, why did you not tell us that you were Nadia to begin with? Did you know you had the warrant? Is that why?
No, I really didn't know I had a warrant at first.
Cause she don't give a crap about her family members, so she would rather just throw them under the bus than for her. I think that's why most people do that. Most people say that they're somebody else, either a sister or their mom, whatever, right? They pretend to be somebody else because they don't give a shit about their friends and family. They just don't. They're selfish. They're all about them, and whoever they can hurt whoever they can hurt in the process of them not getting in trouble, they will hurt. Okay, because they're selfish and they only care about themselves.
Why didn't you tell us that you were Nadia then?
Because I thought I was going to jail. What you did?
For what he did?
Yeah.
That's why you didn't tell us you were Nadia?
Yeah, because I thought I was going to jail.
Well, now you're going to jail for the warrant.
She told me what the warrant's for.
I can look it up in a minute.
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry about that.
we're running everything right now, all right?
Okay. I'm sorry
So
about that.
you just sit tight. We're gonna make sure we have all the information,
Okay.
all right? And then I'll talk to you again.
See what I mean? She says, the officer says, why didn't you tell us who you was? She said, because I thought that I was going to jail for the stuff that he did, for the $10,000 worth of damage. So she would rather the $10,000 worth of damage, approximately, we don't know, right? But she would want that that to go on her sister, not her.
Apparently, the silver means not belong to her.
Oh, really? Oh my gosh.
Wait till you see inside.
What the hell?
Gosh. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Wow. That's insane.
I'm not.
The woman was charged with criminal damage to property, concealing identity, and resisting arrest.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.